So, friendship aren't measured by time, they are measured by the size of the imprint they leave in your heart. Because of them, we laugh a little harder, cry a little less, and smile a little more. The journey of life becomes memorable because of friends. Friendship is a lovely relation without which life seems dull. It is the relationship with our friends that teaches us to share love and care. And most importantly, helps us to fight with odds and be successful. Friends increase the sense of belongingness and generate a feel-good factor. We all try and look for at least one that good friend who at times criticizes and appreciates too. So now I would like to invite Dhruv and Swara on the stage.
Friends are like stars. Would you like to be my friend? That would be so fine. We'll run around here in your backyard and then you'll be in mine. We'll walk to school together and share our lunches too. Oh, what a lucky kid I am to have a friend like you. Thank you so much, Dhruv. Friends make good times better and hard times easier. Good morning, Avinash ma'am, Principal ma'am, Sarika ma'am, Malveen ma'am, students and my dear friends. I, Suresh Sharma, on behalf of UKG welcome you for the assembly. Today we are going to talk about friendship and how we can be good friends to others. Before we begin, do you have any ideas of what a good friend is? The person sitting next to you. Now I would like to call my friends for the morning prayer. but they're always there. Now I would like to call upon my friends and they're going to share some amazing facts with you all. A friend is someone who is kind. A friend is thoughtful and understands your feelings. No friend will cheer you up if you are sad. A friend is someone who can cry for your son. A friend always supports and stands for. When things go wrong, a friend looks after you. When we go to work, even if they are busy, if they are suffering, after there, the sun shed their pain. If you hurt your friend, a true friend will forgive you. A friend is someone who knows all the good and bad about you at a distance. Now my friends are going to share beautiful poems with you all. Friends say let's play. A kind friend say I care. A kind friend say I am sorry. A kind friend say I care. You are my friend, my companion, who check the bag, my friend, my baby, to happy and sad. Beside you stand, beside you walk. You are there to listen, you are there to talk. Happiness is nice, pain and tears, and know you are there throughout the years. It's like a star that twinkles and glows, or maybe like an ocean that gently flows. A friend is like a gold that you should treasure and take care of forever and ever. Full of tender comfort, hugs and wrapped in the smile, giving that extra ounce of comfort we need everyone's in the world. But we turn to when our parents need a lift. A friend is someone we treasure for friendship in a gift. A friend is someone who fills our life with beauty, joy and grace. A friend is the one we live in and love. Friendship is so faithful, you loyal to the end. Eyes provide you children, pretend eyes are just to take touch with you. He is so timid, whatever you may do. And is so baby, be kind in every way. He is so dependable on every single day. As this is special, but he knows always there. Tomorrow is happy, you know always scared. Pots of gold are shiny, straight and new. I lent a friend my gun and it broke in two. My friend said she was sorry, but I said I don't care. Because now we both can solve it. With one friend we can share. Good job.
Very good.
What did you learn from the story? Anyone from that side?
What did you learn from the story?
Happiness. Anyone from that side?
What did you learn from the
Happiness
story?
is only for
That side.
no. Friends are for happiness. Good job, buddy.
Friends make you happy. That's good. You want to answer?
Now I would like to request Avinash ma'am to say a few words.
Have you enjoyed the assembly? Yes. And we all have learned a lesson that a good friend is loving, caring, understanding, and the most important, he should be helpful. Yes, he should be helpful. And do you know who is the best friend at your house? In school? Yes. So never forget that our best friends are our parents and our teachers, whom we can share anything. Yes, we can share anything with our parents, and you know they guide us. और हमें क्या बोलते हैं कि भाई this is right, this is wrong for you. Okay, so always share your feelings with your parents. Okay, with your mom, with your dad, and you can talk to your teachers also. They will always guide you on the right path. Okay, मैम कभी भी ये नहीं बोलेंगे कि आपने ये वाला काम कर लो. मैम हमेशा कहेंगे this is the right way to do. So baby, you can do this. You do this thing. Right thing आपने करनी है. So who will tell you? Your parents and your teachers. Now everybody, UKG, everybody stand up. All of you stand up. Only UKG class.
Only UKG.
And now rest of the children clap for UKG class. Loudly. Very good. Now children, all of you say thank you teachers, we love you, everybody. Love you. Yes. And you know, there is one person in your class who helps you a lot. There is one person. दीदीज आपकी कितनी हेल्प करती है ना? कितनी हेल्प करती है? They sometimes they clean your tables also. Yes, children. Only 2 minutes, then you can talk. Everybody, दीदीज आपकी कितनी हेल्प करती है ना? ठीक है, in school. So say thank you दीदीज. We love you. Yes, thank you Malveen ma'am. We love you. Thank you Sunit sir. We love you. Thank you Avinash ma'am. We love you.
We love you a lot.
Children,
Hana?
you know sir's name? Gurvinder sir. Thank you Gurvinder sir. We love you. You know अगर गुरविंदर सर ही होते हैं ना तो फिर हम स्पीकर नहीं यूज कर पाते. He take care of so many things. You know फिर अगर हमारा AC भी खराब हो जाता तो कोई भी नहीं करता है ना. So always be thankful to everyone who is helping us, who is around us. Okay children? Yes. Thank you all of you. Now you make a line and silently go to your classes. Thank you.